Here's how to get your sizes with a sizing kit. So you're gonna get your sizing kit and a pen. And then I already did my left hand, so we're gonna do our right hand. I'm starting at my pinky. So what we wanna look at is make sure that there's no skin popping through. So that one's too big, so we're not gonna do that one. So moving on to the next smaller one. That one looks pretty good. It's covering sidewall to sidewall. There's no overlap onto the skin and no nail showing through. So I'm going to mark that one down for my pinky. So that one's a size 8. So if we look at this one, we see that there's a little bit of my natural nails popping through. So that one is too small. So we'll go on to a bigger size. If you find your bigger size is too big, but the smaller one is too small, go with the bigger size and you can always file it down just a little bit. So that one we have was a good fit. It was covering sidewall to sidewall, so that's a 6. Then moving on to my middle finger. And you want to make sure you're pressing down on these because you'll be pressing down on them when you glue them. So that is a size 5. So you can find all the sizes on the bottom of the nails. And then last but not least, we have my pointer finger. This one's a little bit too big, so we're going to go to a smaller size. And then this one we're checking again to make sure it's sidewall to sidewall, no skin's poking through. And that one looks like it's a good fit. So then we should have all 10 fingers, and that's what we need to input when we are making an order.